Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account because changing device installation requires elevated rights. Once ready, open settings using Start or press Windows plus I to save time. Next, navigate to System and then about to confirm your Windows 11 build and that recent updates are installed. This prevents unexpected behavior. While you're there, note the device name and version so you can match guidance for group policy or control panel options that follow. Once done with prerequisites, open Control Panel and go to System, then Advanced System Settings. The Hardware tab holds the device installation settings link. Click that to reveal the two primary choices. Let Windows automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons and drivers, or prevent automatic downloads so you can install vetted drivers manually. Make your selection based on whether you prefer automatic updates or stricter control. If using managed devices, mirror this change in Group Policy, or MDM. To finish, confirm your selection and restart Windows so the changed installation behavior takes effect for future device connections. After reboot, use Device Manager to manually update, reinstall, or roll back problematic drivers. Right-click the device, choose Properties, and use the Driver tab for control. If automatic downloads still occur or settings are grayed out, make sure Group Policy or your organization's MDM profile isn't enforcing a different policy. Check GPedit, MSC, or the MDM console and adjust or ask your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.